welcome to our channel, Kids Videos for Kids. Now we're going to, I can't wait, jump into the pool. What about you, Elsa? Yeah, I can't wait too, so let's move. Let's do it. Are you guys scared? Nope, we're not scared. Are you scared? Are you scared, Elsa? No, you're scared, I think, a little bit, huh? But that's okay. Let's try. First, I'm going to put you. I think they're going to go all in. Anna, you go first. You go. There we go. That feels so good. You go first.
I want them to go.
Okay, there you go.
Over there and come back.
Woo! And we get a little donkey here. Whee! And we have a little Anna. Woo! And I have another Elsa. It's your turn. Let's go. Yay! We're playing with the pool now. Yay!
What are you going to
Are you guys floating? Yay! We're spinning.
Are
Woo!
they going to come back?
We're spinning.
Are they going to come back?
I think they're gonna come back. Are they gonna come back? I don't know. Are they gonna come back? Where are they? They're over there. Hey, we're spinning. They're gonna come back. Oh, I love it in the water today. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel today. And I had so much fun sitting in the water in the pool right now. It's a very sunny afternoon here, and I really enjoy the pool. And I go do some spinning. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. I want to do some spinning with you too. I can see your hair is in the water. Would you like me to help you fix the hair? Oh yeah, let me go fix the hair. Okay, let's try it like this. Would you like hair in the water? Oh yeah, please. Let's be water in your hair in the water. Does that feel good? Oh yeah, feel great. I really like the water. And go jump the water, Woo! I'm out again. This feels so great. I love jumping in the water. Now I'm gonna sit by the pool a little bit. Have some fun. I'm gonna relax a little bit. That feels so great. I'm gonna jump in again. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Woo! Now let's try. I'm gonna sit on my floaties. That was a good one. Thank you. What about you? Would you like to jump in the water? Oh yeah, I like jumping in the water. Woo! Yeah. Woo! I like to jump in the water. I like to jump on you too.